Hello painting peeps and welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2. We are in Asheville and I've set up a little studio down here in our workspace and I'm beyond grateful for it. Every day it gets a little bit better. I went to Joann's Fabrics today because I'm kind of learning about the area, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Lowe's, all the important places to get supplies that I need. And that place had some pretty cool stuff. It carries golden paints. It's behind lock and key though, don't you know? You got to push a little button and wait for sweet Cheryl to come over and unlock the cabinet and stand there while you browse. But they had canvases there, and they're not the deep canvases, but we're working today on one of their canvases. It's an 8 by 24 inch stretch canvas. It's the Artist series, and these were 70% off. This baby cost me like $2, and it's a nice canvas. Very well put together, so I'm really excited about that. I stocked up, and they also have a package deal on 3 of them. Let me grab them. This is a set of 3 16 by 20s, and they give you a bonus gallery wrapped one in the middle, and this was like $6. So it was a major good deal. So I was able to score some good canvases today, and then I went to the sports store. Where did we go? Dick's Sporting Goods, because my table here that Rick built me is a little bit too tall for a small person like me. And I was standing on these not so sturdy footstools, so we went and got one of those steppers, you know, that you exercise on. You step up, you step down, and they have risers on them. So I was able to get it to a much better length and width for me, and I'm not so wobbly. So that's what I'm standing on. You can see here I go down, and here I come back up again, so I gotta be careful. Anyways, I want to do a swipe. This will be my first swipe in my No Bra Zone number 2, so I'm excited about it. I got my damp paper towels here. I got them stacked up, sprayed them with water, and cut them into different sizes. Gonna put them right there to the right so that they're nice and handy. Our canvas, once again, is an 8 by 24, which is nice. You can hang it horizontally or vertically. And our base coat today is Artist Loft Black, and it is mixed to a thin consistency. Pouring medium is 50% Golden Gac 800 and 50% Floetrol. And for funsies, I added a squirt or 2 of the Liquitex Gloss pouring medium in there. So that's our base coat, Artist Loft Black. And our swiping colors today are yummy. You know, because my space here is a little smaller than the studio on Hilton Head Island, I tend to be a little bit more stingy with things. I mix up smaller amounts of paint, which is a very good habit to get into, because a lot of times when I have leftover paint and I store them in the covered containers, I kind of bypass them a lot. So I'm determined to use up any leftover paint from the pour before. So some of my colors are from yesterday's pour. We have in this pretty little cup, look at that shimmer, look at that goodness. I love my golden paints. That is Golden Fluids, and that is the Iridescent Copper. Another yummy color. Coppers and teals and blues play so well together. Take a look at that. Isn't that just heartwarming? That right there is Golden Turquoise, and that is the fluid paint. And I put in with it a little bit of the DecoArt Metallics Peacock Pearl. When I first started my pouring journey, I mixed these 2 together, and they made me happy. They made me smile. This yummy color is left over from yesterday's pour right there. We're doing a swipe, so we do not need a whole heck of a lot of paint. That is Dazzling Metallics by DecoArt, and that is their Rich Expresso. Good price on these paints, guys. They've got pretty decent pigments and some absolutely glorious colors. This handsome fella, look at that. Oh goodness, I could mix and play with paints all day, and I say that to you guys all the time. Leftover from yesterday's pour, Treasure Gold's Mayan Gold. And our final color today I threw in the mix because it is leftover from yesterday's pour. This is an interesting color. This is Treasure Gold, and this is the Fire Opal. And what's interesting about it is that it's almost like a color shift paint. When you look at it, it's coppery and gold. When the light hits it at a different angle, there are purple hues in there. So I thought this could be something pretty interesting. So those are our swiping colors. Once again, Artist Loft Black is going to be our base coat. I'm gonna go ahead and get to it, guys, because I love to paint, and I'm always happy when you guys join me here. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be prude. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you measure my waist and intense fire will take us higher than higher. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Can you feel the 779? Tell me you do. Baby, I can't wait, begin. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon.